Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving straight into how to configure Slack's channel description and purpose. This is your full guide for 2025, so let's get started. First up, let's open the Slack app and find the channel you want to modify. This could be any channel you've created or have admin access to. The reason we do this is because only admins or the creator of a channel can make these changes. Now that we've done that, look for the channel name at the top and click on it. A drop-down menu should appear. From this menu, select Channel Settings. This helps us access the settings that we need to change the description and purpose of the channel. Next, you'll find two text boxes titled Purpose and Description. Purpose is meant to be a brief summary of why the channel exists, while the description can go into more detail about the channel's function. Now click on Change next to each box to edit the text. The reason we do this is because it helps provide clarity to all members about what the channel is for and how it should be used. Once you've input your desired text, remember to click Save. This will update the channel's information for all members to see. This is important because without saving, your changes won't be implemented. Let me explain why this matters. A well-defined channel purpose and description helps streamline communications, making collaboration more efficient. It eliminates confusion about the function of different channels, especially in larger teams. Wrapping up, that's how you configure a channel's description and purpose on Slack. Remember, this simple process can significantly enhance your team's communication and productivity. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next tutorial.